Welcome to the Datagrid Forms and Form Sections tutorial. Forms serve as a foundation for organizing and managing form sections efficiently. Form sections serve as the platform where you can construct your database of essential questions that need synchronization with your mobile device for data collection. At the end of this video, I'll demonstrate the swift and effortless process of building a new form section, showcasing the seamless app creation capabilities offered by the Datagrid platform. To access forms, simply hover over Customize and click on Forms. This action will present you with a list of forms available within your account. In the upper right corner, you'll notice three green buttons. The first button is the Explorer button, which allows you to view your form content with a drop-down tree-style navigator. The New button enables you to create a new form, while the Push button facilitates the distribution of all your forms to selected mobile devices. On this page, forms are arranged for the fire life safety industry. Here you'll find various forms including in-house corporate documents, fire alarms, California NFPA 25, fire hydrants, fire pumps, sprinkler inspection, each containing numerous sections tailored to their specific requirements. The Show Entries drop-down menu at the center top of the page enables you to choose a number of forms displayed, ranging from 10 to 50. The column headers provide the option to enter criteria for sorting your forms. At the bottom left of your screen, you'll find 6 green buttons. When no form is selected, only the New button is active. However, once the form is checked, the Copy, Push, Disable, and Delete buttons become active. The Enable button will only appear if a form has been disabled. The column labeled Form Sections, Data Filters, and Graphs contains links that provide direct access to these items within your form. Additionally, on each row, you'll find 3 green buttons to the right. These buttons enable you to edit the form, push it to a mobile device, or create a new report based on that form. There are 2 types of forms available, a report form and a card form. A report form contains the form sections which manages all the necessary questions required to be sent to your mobile device, facilitating the creation of interfaces and generating the required documents and reports. On the other hand, a card form builds the properties for your custom list items. Let's begin by examining an existing report form, starting with the sprinkler inspection for fire life safety. The interface closely resembles that of the form page. On the left-hand side, you'll find 3 page tabs. The leftmost tab features a drop-down menu, offering various options. From here, you can create a new form, duplicate the current form, generate a new form section, produce a new report using this form, design a new mobile layout tailored to this form, push this form to a mobile device, or delete this record entirely. The Detail tab offers flexibility to modify your title or refine your description. You also have the option to disable this section. To navigate through the various forms within your account, utilize the drop-down menu located to the right. Additionally, 5 buttons are readily accessible on the upper right corner. These buttons allow you to create a new form, generate a new form section, design a new mobile layout specific to this form, create a new report tailored to this form, or browse through the forms available in your account. The Form Sections tab displays all the form sections you've created for this form. You can navigate through multiple pages. If applicable, use the bottom right controls. On the bottom left, you'll find 5 green buttons. The New button is active when no form section has been checked, allowing you to create a new form section. The Copy button duplicates the selected forms, while Enable activates a disabled section and Disable performs the opposite action. Finally, the Delete button removes a section from your account. Each row is accompanied by 3 buttons to the right. The Edit button permits you to edit this form section, while the Question button enables you to create a new question specifically for this form section. Lastly, the Report button generates a new report utilizing this form section. Each form section displayed under the header title comprises the questions synchronized with your mobile device, facilitating the collection of necessary data for your document. Let's explore the user interface for the form section by reviewing the General section. At the top of the page, you'll find 5 page tabs. Starting from the left, the first tab is a standard drop-down menu seen in the other sections. The next tab, Details, allows you to modify the title and description of your form section. You can also deactivate this section using the Enable button. The last 2 tabs on the right, Subforms and Data Filters and Graphs, will be covered in a separate tutorial. Moving on to the Sections Questions tab, you'll notice the Show Entries drop-down in the center, enabling you to adjust the number of questions displayed. On the top right corner, there's a new drop-down button where you can effortlessly add a question of any type by selecting the data type you need. The headers at the top of each column will allow you to enter the search criteria to refine your view. In each row, the first item features a checkbox and an ID number. Activating the checkbox enables the Enable and Disable and Delete green buttons located at the bottom right of the page. Clicking on the title, which is a link, allows you to edit that question. The type column lets you filter questions by their type, while the sort index column enables you to assign sorting numbers for easy reorganization of your questions. Additionally, the information column provides details about the author and the creation or edit date. Finally, the last three buttons on the right allow you to edit, copy, and delete your form questions. Next, I'll demonstrate how to create a new form section specifically for the fire sprinkler inspection form. This will illustrate the seamless and efficient process of crafting your own custom corporate mobile application. Click on the green Add Form Section button located in the upper left corner and assign it a name. For instance, I'll name it Tutorial Section Demonstration, provide a brief description, and then click Save. Afterwards, navigate to the Section Questions tab to begin incorporating the necessary questions for your document data collection. We will cover all the options for creating necessary questions for your documents or reports in the Form Section Question tutorial. You can find the link to that tutorial in the description below. Thank you for reviewing Datagrids forms and form sections. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and updates on Datagrid's powerful features.